but she actually looks at what she has going on at work that day. She's a teacher. And if she has difficult classes, or she's teaching a difficult topic and there's a faculty meeting and there's a pep rally, she knows at the end of that day, she is going to be exhausted. And so she plans her meals accordingly. And I have to tell you, when I started doing this, it has been a true game changer for me because it has given me permission to simplify our family's meals and my meal planning routine and give myself permission to do it differently and to use nights that are coming at the end of a very long day to do something like eating leftovers or simply putting out a charcuterie or a vegetable board or getting takeout or eating out. So before you think about what you might want to make on Monday, look at what you have going on Monday. Look at the evening activities, look at the rest of your day and think, how might I feel at the end of this day?